We got a 2019 Ford Ecoboost Mustang. It's installing an MBRP system. Let's check it out. We're already halfway through. It's like a mini resonator that the MBRP system comes with. I want to show you guys these tips. Gotta bring them in the sun for this. Sheesh. Chrome, baby. You can see a reflection in it. This is a bolt-on system, couple clamps, couple nuts and bolts over here. Got to bring it to the exhaust shop, but it starts all the way from over here, running all the way back. I'm going to show you guys the final result with the tips and everything, and have you guys hear how it sounds. We have Gio finish it up.
Nope.
All right, big dog. All right, we're back. Let's check out what we did. Like I said, a couple nuts and bolts, we're all done. Clamp, the two little resonators right here with the MBRP tips. Chrome, baby. This is the old system right here. Little resonator, the two big ass mufflers. This system should open it up a whole lot more. Let's bring it down and hear how it sounds.